2 parking spaces included. Spacious One Bedroom Den unit with a well-designed split floor plan offering 849 square feet of living space. The unit features a generous terrace spanning 320 square feet, as per developer, providing ample outdoor space. Additionally, there is a fully enclosed and secure concrete storage unit on the 3rd floor. The 2 parking spaces are located side by side on the 2nd floor, numbered 2 to 19 and 2 to 20. The unit boasts high ceilings and white tiles throughout, impact windows, Italkraft cabinets and closets, quartz countertops, Bosh appliances, Nest thermostat. Impeccable resort-style amenities including heated pool, bicycle racks, state-of-the-art fitness center, 24-hour concierge, summer kitchen, valet services. Pet-friendly, walking distance to the Shops of Merrick Park.